In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a construction schedule in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, let's head over to Monday.com's interface. On the left panel of your screen, you'll notice a plus icon located right next to the name of your current workspace. Clicking on this icon is your first step. It's essentially like opening a new door. You're expanding your workspace possibilities by bringing in new templates and tools. Once you've clicked that plus icon, you'll see a menu pop up. From here, we want to explore the Template Center. This is an incredibly useful feature in Monday.com, designed to provide you with a variety of pre-built workflows and projects. Think of the Template Center as a library filled with ready-to-use resources, just waiting for you to pick the one that suits your project needs. So go ahead and click on Template Center to open it. In the Template Center, we're going to utilize the search function to make things quicker and more efficient. In the search bar that appears, type in construction schedule. This search is designed to sift through the vast array of templates and pinpoint exactly what you need. Typing in this specific term ensures that you're directed to the most relevant template for managing construction projects. Once the search results appear, select the Construction Schedule template. You'll want to click on it to view more details and see how it can cater to your needs. When you're ready, hit Use Template. This action essentially imports the template into your workspace, equipping you with a comprehensive board specifically designed for construction scheduling. Congratulations! With those few clicks, you've set up a board dedicated to managing construction schedules. This board is structured and prepped, yet it's important to customize it to make it truly yours. You'll notice some placeholder data within this template. Treat these as your starting points. Simply replace this placeholder data with your actual project details. Whether it's timelines, resources, or milestones, begin tailoring each section according to your specific construction project requirements. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've mastered setting up a construction schedule in Monday.com. Remember, the power of this platform lies in its flexibility and ability to adapt to your evolving project needs. So, as your construction projects progress, don't hesitate to update and optimize this board. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to dive back into the Template Center anytime you need to explore new ways to enhance your projects. Until next time, happy building with Monday.com.